In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign using our intuitive campaign builder tool. This process will allow you to effectively reach your audience across multiple platforms, making your marketing efforts more cohesive and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to the campaign builder. This is where you'll have the opportunity to shape the foundation of your campaign. The campaign builder is designed to be user-friendly, with a clean interface that prompts you with each step of the way. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of options to customize your campaign to suit your unique marketing needs. Next, you'll want to select the multi-channel options. This is a crucial step because it allows you to widen the scope of your campaign by engaging with your audience across different platforms. By choosing the multi-channel strategy, you're ensuring that your message is not confined to just one medium, but instead reaches your audience wherever they are, be it Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, or other popular channels. This multi-pronged approach helps in reinforcing your message and increases the likelihood of catching your audience's attention. Once you've set up the multi-channel options, it's time to connect each channel. Let's start by integrating platforms like Facebook and Instagram to your campaign. These channels are particularly powerful for reaching large and diverse audiences, offering robust tools for engagement and analytics. Ensuring these platforms are connected properly will allow you to manage your advertising and branding efforts directly through the campaign builder. Similarly, linking your Google Ads account will give you access to a vast network of potential customers actively searching for products or services related to your campaign. Make sure all permissions are in place and the accounts are linked correctly for seamless operations. Setting schedules for each channel is the next critical phase. Timing can make a significant impact on the success of your campaign. You'll want to consider when your target audience is most active and likely to engage with your content. The campaign builder helps you easily set specific scheduling for each platform, allowing you to tailor your posting times to achieve maximum engagement. For instance, if you're targeting professionals, early mornings or afternoons might be ideal, whereas a younger demographic might be more active in the evenings or on weekends. Take advantage of the insights offered by the tool to fine-tune your schedule. Now that everything is in place, it's time for the final review before launching your campaign. Go over every aspect of your setup to ensure all channels are correctly configured and schedules are properly aligned. This is your last opportunity to make any adjustments and ensure everything is perfect. Once you're satisfied with how things look,